Menteri Rangba ka jylla u Konrad ki sangma ha ka khat khandai trik naitung ula ong ba kidang dan sa Kumba lai phunre ngut ki samla puli MBBS ka jylla ki badang sahkut hapo kari Bangladesh ka badan menta hapdeng ka jingek hi ka bajur ula ong ru banapdeng ki south pa san ngut ki samla puli na India prapo ngut ki badai na Meghalaya lala ban pen kan ria no yaki na khate kari lingba ka dauki West Giant Hills district ula ong ru ba kini ki samlai ki brang sahkut ki dei ki bapuli ha Eastern Medical College na kaliang Chief Minister ula ong Maria yo jingtip ya kani ka jingjia ha ka te ka ri ba marjan mardor ngila shim ya ki sinjam ha ka balala ban pan kan ria no ya hadu Kumba South pa san ngut ki samla puli ki badai na India na po Bangladesh lingba ka dauki ha ka bana kini prangut ki dei na Meghalaya napdeng kini ki donru ki samla puli ki badai na Bhutan bat Nepal bat ki donru ki badai ki tourist ki bala sahkut bat ki bala jam ya ki jaga khaput na ka thain dauki wat la kata usangma ula ong ba ki dang don ka jingsngo kya na ka benta ki laipun ringut ki samla puli ka jylla ki ba puli hapo Eastern Medical College ya ki ba 4 shamlala ban pen kan ria halor kani ula pentip ba na kalyang ka sarkar jylla kalaya kren klem sange bat ki Indian Embassy ha Dhaka bakin let shaw ya kitu ki samla puli ki badang sahkut ha Bangladesh kumta nga kwa banya sam bat pentip shabaro ki kmi ki kpa bangi ai beteng banyakren kata watla ka jinglong jingman hapo bat saudong jong ka college kalong ka babiang Henry ha kalenti kala bandan kanu ka jinglong jingman bat kumta kanam long ka bala ban kensting tat hadu bangin dat thikna bha ba kalenti ru kalong ka basngan bat la pan pan pa ya ki dak basuk sha uput usam ngin ha pan pit ngor ya ka jinglong jingman kumta kini ki kam kidang yai bat ngidang beteng banyamir jingmut bat ni kermen bahapo kini ki arpasaw kanta ki banwan ngin sala ban bishar benya ya ka jinglong jingman ong u chief minister ha bapente babun na kinong wanphai kinrung lingba ka Tripura u chief minister ulong kumta ngilai kran bat ki bor sarkar ka Tripura ru kumju bat high commissioner jongi ha Bangladesh na kalyang ki officer jongi kila beteng banyak kran khanang bangin la ban punkan ria no mardori ki samla puri jongi bat ki weipat na kani kariba marjan Nalor kata u chief minister upentip ru baka sarkar kala rai ban penmi dak online portal ban yo ya ki jingtip ki babnia kumju banyakran bat baro ki samla puli ki badai na Meghalaya ki ba puli shabar jongari kat kum ka jingpen paw ko jong u ka sarkar kala mat ya shibun ki jing e hakisnam ki balalit no namar ka jingbam dan ya ki lat ban yo ya kran mar khmat bat ki samla puli ki ba puli shabar jongari ula ong ru baya kani ka jingterwa ansara banyakran hapo ka jingalang ka kunhun menteri ban aya ka jingmenjur
Obviously, we are aware that the situation in Bangladesh is, a localized kind of a problem in terms of the different issues that was raised because of the reservation that was there, in terms of 30% reservation that was meant for armed forces and all. So those concerns and all this came up, and obviously it has taken a political turn as well as slightly complicated law and order turn. So it's very unfortunate. Number one, it shouldn't. And obviously there are a lot of students from many parts of the world who are in fact studying there. So therefore, a lot of the students have been affected. But as soon as we got this information, we have immediately moved into action. And almost close to about 405 students from India have been evacuated from Bangladesh through Dauki. And out of them, about 80 are from our state of Meghalaya itself, and then the rest are from other parts of the state, of the country. We also have the students from Bhutan and Nepal also who are there, and some tourists who were stuck, who again crossed the border from Dauki's side. So the movement is on. We have already got our nodal officers here in the state, as well as we have in touch with the Indian Embassy in Dhaka. And a senior IPS officer is directly in touch with us to facilitate any kind of movement that is required. At the same time, there are some concerns that have been raised regarding one particular college called the Eastern Medical College. About 36 students of ours are there, I'm told. The numbers could be up and down, and I stand corrected on that, but roughly about 36 students. We are in touch with the officials there also, and with touch with the Indian Embassy Though the college are saying that the situation is okay, but obviously a lot of the parents are very concerned. So I want to share and tell all the parents that we are continuously in touch. Though the situation in and around the college is okay, but en route there could be some situations, and therefore it will not be possible to take a chance unless until we are very sure that the route also is clear and they can be safely brought to the border. We'll have to watch the situation. So therefore those activities are on, and we are in touch. We are hopeful that within the next 24 hours we'll be able to assess the situation. We are ready from the Tripura side, because this particular point where they'll be entering is in Tripura. So we are in touch with the Tripura side also. We're in touch with our counterparts and our High Commission in Bangladesh also, and our officials also in touch, so that we can evacuate our students and others immediately from there as soon as we find that the route is also cleared. We only have the information with us in terms of whatever we have received from different sources, but the exact count is not there with us. In fact, just to share with you, we are coming out with a small, an OM kind of a thing, a proposal, where we have realized that we have seen this in the past also. We have faced a lot of problems in the past also because of the fact that we do not have direct contact with our students. So we are proposing in the next cabinet, it's coming up. Yeah, online, yes. So by next cabinet, hopefully we'll be clearing this proposal where there will be an online portal where we are urging every student from Meghalaya who's studying outside to please register and please give us your contact numbers so that you are in our database, and immediately if there's any situation, in a matter of just seconds, we'll be able to bring out all the details of our students who are there and the contact numbers, so that in the future, if such situations happens in any part of the world, we have the necessary details and contacts. So we're coming out with that portal, and that should help us a lot in the future. But as of now, as I said, we're relying only on the information being given to us by the High Commission and by the colleges that are there, and also by the citizens and the parents whose children are studying in Bangladesh.
Only for students?
Sorry?
Only for students is water?
Well, no, this will be for everybody. Since it's student you mentioned, so I'm mentioning this. But yes, we prefer that everybody should inform us. But it's not going to be mandatory. But it's something that we're giving an option that it will help us to have the database as and when situations arise.